Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Y'all still gathering information to start that YouTube? Stop it. You got enough information. Go ahead and start. There ain't nothing to be embarrassed about. Who cares? Who cares? Stop all that procrastinating and get it done. Get it done. I'm a stay-at-home mom with anxiety. There is nothing stopping me, and I'm pretty sure ain't nothing stopping you. You got a phone? Just take it out and start recording. Just take it out and start recording. You probably worried about not having nothing to talk about. I worry about that all the time as well, but I'm here. You gotta start somewhere. You gotta start somewhere. Talk about anything. I just want to encourage you that anybody can do this. Anybody. I'm an introvert. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I'm introverted. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I'm an introvert. And I have anxiety. So, if I can do this, you can. I know I said that before, but I'm serious. I know some people can relate to what I'm saying. You may feel like, what's the point? Or you may feel stupid at the beginning, but just keep pushing. Keep pushing. You may be thinking, well, who gonna want to see me? Like, my videos are not entertaining at all. But that don't matter. It doesn't matter. Just put it out there. Look, don't nobody know what you're thinking but you. I know the content that I'm filming right now, sitting in this car. I know that this may not be entertaining to people, but I don't care. Because this is my first video and I'm putting it out there. It's out there. I did this to motivate myself. I needed to motivate myself. Because if I wouldn't have did it, if I wouldn't have put this video on, then I never would have did it. You have nothing else to lose. All you can do is gain. All you can do is gain followers, gain likes. You're basically giving people knowledge. Just do it. Just do it. You may not even have the right equipment to start. Like, it doesn't cost much to get it. It don't. Go to these thrift stores. Shoot, I stay in the thrift store. Go in the thrift stores. They might have tripods, cameras, anything to get your business, anything to get this started, anything. You don't feel like you're good enough to be in front of a camera? I didn't feel like I was good enough to be in front of the camera. But here I am. I'm here. If you got your cell phone, start with that. Start with your phone. Start with your cell phone. Just start. And then keep pushing. Start, but don't stop. Don't stop posting. For more inspiration or encouraging videos, y'all please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. And let's grow together.